This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Using the special anti-theft wheel nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the centre of the front subframe, then raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with axle stands under the reinforced section of the door sill flange on each side. Fully unscrew the nuts and remove the wheel. Slacken and remove the lower guide pin bolt. Pivot the caliper upwards and suspend it from the coil spring using a length of wire. Pull the lower and upper wire springs from the brake pads. Prise the outer and inner brake pads from the mounting bracket. Remove the lower and upper shims from the bracket. Clean the mounting bracket with a brush and brake cleaner. Measure the thickness of the pad friction material. If any pad is worn down to 1 mm for sports suspension models or 2 mm for all other models, then all 4 front brake pads must be renewed. Press the upper and lower shims into place in the bracket. Apply a little high-temperature grease to the bracket contact points on the outer pad backing plates. Take care not to get any grease on the friction material. Slide the outer pad into place in the bracket. Ensure the friction material is against the disc face. Apply a little grease to the inner pad and slide it into place. If new pads have been fitted, the piston must be pushed fully back into the caliper. This is best achieved using a piston retraction tool, however a G-clamp will suffice. Once the piston is fully retracted, remove the tool. Press the wire springs into place between the brake pads. Lower the caliper back down over the pads. Insert the guide pin bolt and tighten it to the specified torque. Repeatedly depress the brake pedal to bring the pads into full contact with the disc. Repeat the procedure on the remaining front brake. Check the brake fluid level. Locate the wheel over the studs in the hub. And lightly tighten the retaining nuts. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts to the specified torque.